Asa naman eh? Kuya, na kay mapa?
Okay.
Nagtarong Miami.
Okay.
Ayaw ba?
Asa man ta ba ipatod?
Eh, sir, pwede ba selfie? Sorry, wako naka-toothbrush.
Lumayo ka na lang. Sana umiwas ka na lang.
Sige lang, nagdabi na ang toothbrush.
Congratulations.
Kuya, asa ang Linda?
Oh, you mean Linda? First you have to go through this avenue. You can find her there.
Thank you. Nice!
We wish you.
Wait up! I love my baby. We love our babies too. You gon' be my baby. Love you, baby. What's your problema? Idugo ko.